And welcome back. We're continuing the news. If you have a penetrating cut, don't take it lightly, as this can lead to a medical condition known as sepsis. Shamala Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Sepsis, more commonly known to Jamaicans as blood poisoning, is a rare but serious infection. It usually comes with fever, pain, and swelling.
Sepsis would occur when you have an infection which has become disseminated over the body. So it has spread into the tissues, into the bloodstream, and has now circulated throughout the body. So what you have is bacteria running around in the bloodstream. You have the body's defenses now going on high alert. Person is having a fever and very often is feeling really bad and is severely ill.
The condition may progress to septic shock. This is a dramatic drop in blood pressure that can damage the lungs, kidneys, liver, and other organs. When the damage is severe, it can lead to death. There are certain persons at greater risk, like the very young and those over the age of 65 years.
Diabetics who would have infections of their feet, which are untreated, the infection spreads. Persons like those can develop sepsis. Somebody who has a penetrating wound, like a farmer working out in the field, but that wound is not properly cleaned and looked after, it develops an infection and further goes on to becoming septic.
It's important to quickly identify people with infections that may develop sepsis. Early treatment for sepsis can improve one's chances of survival.
Treatment is usually aggressive antibiotic therapy, sometimes requiring intravenous therapy, even hospitalization, depending on the severity and the other comorbidities of the patient. Prognosis, I would say, is guarded depending on the age of the patient, severity of the infection, and whatever other factors may be at play. But it should be fairly optimistic, but you'd have to be guarded in specific cases.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.